Alright, quick tutorial on how to get the fire flower from the Navy with the leaf. As soon as you enter the level, you'll have that Wrenky Wrench guy. You want to swipe him, and then you want to just back up and stand right in front of where the wood starts. Little gap. Not gonna be big or small. When he pops up, you go, get P speed, jump, hold duck, and then jump in. If you swipe him, you want to stand where there's a little space between yourself, Mario's feet, and the wood. I mean, it's not super precise. You don't want a huge gap, but you don't want the tiniest gap either. Just like that. As soon as he pops up, it doesn't have to be like immediately when he pops up. You can wait like a half a second. When you see his head pop out of the wood, you want to jump up to the top platform and you want to try to land on the left side of it as much as you can. You're going to run with P speed to the end of the platform, drop down, run under the block, activate the block. Then you're going to duck, hold duck, and jump up while you're holding duck. And as soon as you're in the air, you can start going left. When you hold duck and you start to fly, you can start pressing left as soon as you're in the air. You gotta wait till you're in the air, because when you're ducking, you have P speed and you start flying. You will not unduck. You will stay ducked. You can actually release your D-pad altogether, and he'll stay ducked. So as long as you're in the air, then you can start going left to get into that little gap. A lot of people make a mistake by trying to hold left as they're jumping up into the air. You don't have to do that. You have plenty of time. After you get the flower, run and duck under the fireball or under the cannons, and that's it.